Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled because you forgot the passcode, this video is for you. So this method can also work for supported iPad and iPod Touch models depending on the device model and iOS version. Before starting, there are a few important things you should know. Use this tutorial only on your own iPhone, your family device, or a device you are authorized to manage. This method is for removing the screen passcode when the iPhone is unavailable or disabled. When you remove a forgotten screen passcode, the current data on the device will be erased. So after unlocking, you can restore your data only if you already have an iCloud backup, iTunes backup, Finder backup, or Apple devices backup. And there is no other way to fix this issue without data loss. And if Find My iPhone was enabled before the reset, the iPhone may ask for the Apple ID and password during setup. So make sure you know the Apple ID that was previously used on this iPhone. Now let's start. First, open your browser on the computer. Download iMobie AnyUnlock from the official link given in the video description. After downloading, install AnyUnlock on your Windows PC or Mac. Once the installation is complete, open AnyUnlock. On the AnyUnlock home screen, choose Unlock Screen Passcode. This is the option used when your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, iPhone disabled, or you forgot the lock screen passcode. Now click Start Now. AnyUnlock will ask you to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. You can follow the on-screen instructions to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if the Apple logo appears. Release the side button only when the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, older iPhone models, and iPad models, follow the on-screen instructions inside AnyUnlock because the button combination can be different. AnyUnlock will detect your iPhone and prepare the required firmware package. Then click Download. The firmware file can be large, so make sure your internet connection is stable and your computer has enough free storage. Keep your iPhone connected during the download. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Do not close AnyUnlock. Once the firmware download is complete, AnyUnlock will verify the firmware package. After verification, click Unlock Now. Now AnyUnlock will start removing the screen passcode from the iPhone. During this process, your iPhone may restart. You may see the Apple logo, a progress bar, a black screen, or the recovery mode screen. This is normal. Keep the iPhone connected. Do not restart the computer. Do not unplug the cable. Just wait until the process is complete. Once AnyUnlock shows that the screen passcode has been removed successfully, your iPhone will restart. After restarting, the iPhone should show the hello screen. Now swipe up and start setting up the iPhone again. Select your language. Choose your country or region. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Continue the setup process. During setup, your iPhone may show iPhone lock to owner or activation lock. This is very important to understand. Screen passcode and iCloud activation lock are two different things. AnyUnlock screen passcode feature removes the lock screen passcode, but it does not automatically remove Apple's ownership lock. If Find My iPhone was turned on before the reset, Apple may ask for the Apple ID and password that were previously used on this iPhone. If you see iPhone lock to owner, enter the correct Apple ID and password. In some cases, Apple may also allow you to unlock using the previous device passcode if that option appears on the screen. You can use this Apple's official way to bypass the iCloud activation lock screen. After entering the correct information, continue the setup. Set up Face ID if you want, or choose Setup later. Now create a new screen passcode. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose the option that matches your situation. If you have an iCloud backup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the backup you want to restore. If you have a computer backup, choose Restore from Mac or PC. If you do not have any backup, choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data and set up the iPhone as new. After setup is complete, your iPhone will go to the home screen. Now you can use your iPhone again with a new passcode. AnyUnlock also has a separate feature for iCloud activation lock. This feature is not the same as unlock screen passcode. Unlock screen passcode is for iPhone unavailable, security lockout, iPhone disabled, and forgotten screen passcodes. iCloud activation lock feature is for devices that are already stuck on the activation lock screen. Before using this feature, check the official compatibility list inside AnyUnlock or on the iMobie website, because supported devices, iOS versions, and limitations can be different. Also, read all warnings inside the software before starting. Some devices may require extra steps, and some activation lock methods may have limitations after the process. So do not purchase or start the feature without checking whether your exact iPhone model and iOS version are supported. To check this feature, go back to the AnyUnlock home screen. Select iCloud Activation Lock feature. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Click Start Now. Again, use this only on your own device, your family device, or a device you are legally authorized to manage. For a second-hand iPhone, the safest official solution is to contact the original owner and ask them to remove the device from their Apple account. The original owner can remove the device from iCloud Find devices. If you forgot your Apple ID password, use Apple's official account recovery page. If you are the real owner and have proof of purchase, you can also contact Apple support for activation lock help. Now, one more important thing before ending the video. iMobie AnyUnlock is a paid software, so some features may require a license. The free version may allow you to check options, but the complete restore process usually requires the activated version. If you want the guided method, you can check AnyUnlock from the link in the description. For the official free method, you can also use Apple devices, Finder, or iTunes to restore the iPhone manually. You can check the video description for official free method video. You can also use the Forgot Passcode option directly on supported iOS versions if it appears on the unavailable screen. But remember, official Apple restore methods also erase the iPhone when removing a forgotten passcode. All useful links are available in the description. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and iPad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.